abilay lalamot iray tim tinula at nagsinagsi. Nyalara. Woo! Jonathan and Kuya Waki in the house. Pasok! Talo kong Kuya Kalong magano. Woo! Nakabilang balawag. Mambawas kami kasalanan. Ah. Dito na kami ng Manawag. From Sampapian, San Jacinto, Manawag. Basta kami ng Mapandan.
Saan proud sa bawat plato, sabi nila
Kuya Waki and cousin. Kuya Kalo. Woo! Yes, Kuya Bobby. Kaya Jonathan. Jonathan.
Yo, Philip, in the
Welcome to
house.
Manawag.
For 1 year, junior year in college. Then she came back, and then since she was in Spanish, she was going to go to Central America to do peace corps there. But she said, Dad, I want to know my roots.
This is Kasaba. Anong pangalan ng kasaba nyo? Ha? Iyas Kasaba. Dito lang yan sa David.
Pangaldan!
Okay. Ito 60 pesos. Ito magkano to? 120. 50 lang. Ito lang yan ha. Guys.
David!
David. Sige po.